Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited. We are going to be doing an unboxing of the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. If you're interested in seeing what I got in my box and all the details on the box, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so thank you so much for clicking on my video. As I mentioned in the intro, we will be doing an unboxing of my Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box 2021. I'm really excited because I missed this last year. I'm usually late to the game. I mean, I'm really bad about keeping up with like new releases or like flash sales like this. So when I saw it this year, since I wasn't able to get it last year, I jumped. And I was freaking out because we didn't have the US link as quickly as Canada and the UK, but it did come eventually. So this box retails for $164, and essentially it is half off from the total value that you'll get in the box. It's going to come with 7 full-size products, and from the sneak peeks, we know that one of the full-size products is going to be Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, and also the Walk of No Shame eyeshadow quad. Now, I'm really excited about the Magic Cream because I literally just ran out. I normally don't use it during the day because I am of an oilier skin type, but I do use it during the winter, and if I'm going out at night and doing my makeup, I feel like it's a really beautiful like filter or base for your foundation and the rest of your makeup. So since I literally just ran out, I'm really excited. Honestly, like I have a full face of Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm not like all about Charlotte Tilbury like that. But I know that these boxes are really like of huge value. And if you've been wanting to test the brand out, like you can get 7 full-size items for, you know, half off basically. So I thought that it was a really good value. Without further blabbering, let's go ahead and get into it. I really like the box that it comes in, almost like a little gift. It always comes very beautifully wrapped in tissue like this. Now this came free with the purchase of, I think it was $75 or more. You got a free lip gloss. I got mine in the shade Ibiza Nights. Really nice. I have one other lip gloss that I also got for free purchasing something on her site, so I'm excited to add to the collection. All right, let's see what's in here. Ooh, so the first item that I have here, and you guys, as I unbox the items, I will have the information like price and such and the name of the product listed down here at the bottom of my screen. But the first thing that I have in my box is a brightening youth glow, and it says that it's like a base. It says brightening color correcting glow primer. Perfect for the winter, so I'm excited to try this. The next thing that I see in my box is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Again, I love this. It does not feel like it's a full size though, so let me open it. I could be wrong, but to me, okay, so this is the 1 fluid ounce cream. I normally buy the bigger one because they have a bigger size than this. So I was assuming that that's the size that it was, but this is still very nice to have because, like I said, I only use it during the winter, and it did take me like over a year to finish it, so I guess it's okay. The next item that I have here is the luxury palette, and this again is in the Walk of No Shame. We already knew that we were going to get this one. Let me go ahead and open this for you so you guys can see it. Ooh, this is beautiful. Now, I have a couple of her luxury eyeshadow palettes, or the quads, I should say. I have the Pillow Talk, and I didn't really, it just wasn't my jam. Like the shimmer got like hard pan right away. I really couldn't get it to pay off, and it was just a bit too light for my liking. But then I also have the Fire Rose, which is gorgeous. That one is so beautiful. And then I have the Rebel one, which is a green one, which is also so nice. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like this is kind of like a deeper version of Pillow Talk in a way, and I think it'll show a lot nicer on my complexion. So I am very excited to try this. The next product is a big one. It's the Superstar Glow Highlighter. I already own this. I bought it last year when it released. Let me just make sure it's the same one. Yep, it's the same one. It's this highlighter in the same seashell packaging as the bronzers that came out last year. So I'll open it to show you guys, but since I already own this, I'm actually going to gift this to my sister Aline because I know she'll appreciate it. So that's hers. You're welcome. So that's 4 items so far. They promised 7, and I do see 7 here. The next one is a Hyaluronic Plus Happy Kiss, and it's a color bomb. I don't have this one. I think I heard of it. This is in the shade Romance Kiss. It looks like a really pretty pink. Oh, how cute. This looks like the limited edition packaging from last Christmas where the Fire Rose quad came out. Ooh. Ooh, this is so perfect to put in your purse. How pretty. Since we're here, let me swatch it for you. Ooh, it's a lot thicker than I expected and a lot more pigmented, but that's really beautiful. Like a little corally red. Nice. Okay, when you twist it out, don't twist it all the way because it doesn't twist back. So only twist a couple times for what you're going to use and then put it away. Just a little precaution there. The next item is a collagen lip bath. This one is in Peachy Plump and it's a plumping gloss. So yes, very, very excited to try this formula. Do I have this already? Okay, I literally just went to my collection back there and I have the exact same shade. So I am going to give this to Eileen with her new highlighter. So you're welcome, Eileen. She's actually watching my kids while we go to New York for my husband's birthday weekend. So this is her payment. And the last item that we have is Legendary Lashes Volume 2. This is supposed to be like a really great mascara. I haven't tried it and I actually have extensions in my eyelashes. So I'll definitely use it for the bottom lashes because I do want to test the formula a little bit, see if it smudges or anything like that. So I'll definitely try this and let you guys know. One more thing before I let you guys go, I want to swatch this eyeshadow quad for you guys. You may have seen it already, but I always like to do swatches because I feel like on my skin tone, it gives you an idea of what it will look like on you if you're like a shade twin to me. So I will go ahead and swatch this way and then I'll end with the shimmer. That way I don't get shimmer everywhere else. So here are the swatches. Very, very beautiful. I think more than anything, like this is such a perfect little quad like to take with you when you're traveling. If you just want like a simple look put together. I think that the shade that I'm most excited for is the second one, like that corally orange shade. It looks very similar to like that coral orange shade in the new Pat McGrath Mothership palette. But this one has a little bit of a sheen. So, and then the last one, you can hardly see it, but it's like that ethereal shimmer that's in here. Here's a close-up of what it looks like on medium skin tone. Very, very pretty. Okay, guys, so there is my first mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury. I haven't watched other videos, so I don't know if the products varied a little bit, but I was so excited to get this. I think that there was 2 items that were repeats, one that I needed a new replacement of, and so all in all, I'm very excited. I probably won't try this like color correcting globe primer until the winter time, but either way, I'm very excited because recently I've picked up some matte foundations, so I think a glowy primer will be perfect during the winter. I was really, really excited to try the formula on this hyaluronic lip balm. Like, this is some serious stuff with some serious pigment, so I think it would go really, really pretty with this quad. So anyway, this is my box for 2021. So excited. If the box is still available, please check the description box below and I will link it for you. Other than that, please know that Charlotte Tilbury is currently having a 40% off sale site-wide. So definitely check that out if you'd like to try any of the items that I unboxed for you today. Please know that if you click on that link, it is an affiliate link. I will make a commission on it, but I definitely appreciate you guys supporting my channel. All right, guys, if you have any questions or would like to see any looks with the palette or with anything else that I have here, please let me know and I'd be happy to do that, or I can send you some swatches via DM. Whatever you'd like, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you got the box down below. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!